All right, we're cooking. So here, we have Kuey Teow. This is fresh Kuey Teow. It's nice and moist. It's not been in the fridge. Yeah, that's how I like it. Here we have beef. This beef has been marinated with soy sauce, with sesame oil, with white pepper, and a little bit of tapioca starch. Here we have a bit of garlic, ginger, sliced, spring onions, eggs. For the sauces, we have soy sauce, fish sauce. Now, because soy sauce on itself is a bit sweet, I want to counter that with the fish sauce that's going to give it a nice savoriness. Here we have dark caramel sauce. And in this, it's the fat from the beef that's just been rendering away. We're going to use the oil that's been rendered out to cook the Kuey Teow. Remove the beef, add more oil, ginger in, add in the garlic, eggs, Kuey Teow, soy sauce, fish sauce, dark caramel, stir it around, allow to char. I'm using a chopstick because I don't want to break the Kuey Teow. If you end up using a wooden spoon or something else, you might break the Kuey Teow and then end up with pudding instead of fried Kuey Teow. Beef back in. Spring onion. Give it a good mix around. Alright, turn off the heat and it's done.